Welcome back to CloudForge. Today, we'll discuss AWS Key Pairs, understand how they work, why they're required, and how to securely connect to two instances. Let's get started.
Welcome to CloudForge Training Institute. Today we will discuss about key pairs. It's a small topic. So key pair is a set of cryptographic keys that has public key and private key used to securely authenticate and connect to your EC2 machine. So why we are using this key pair? So it provides a passwordless authentication. So using this key pair, whenever you are logging with your EC2 machine, it won't ask any password. So key pairs has two types. One is public key pair and private key pair. Public key always stores in EC2. Let's see where it is stores. And private key we have downloaded it in your computer. So by launching the EC2 machine, we are creating the key pairs. You can see here. So this is the private key which you downloaded. So this is private key. I have already existing one, cloud.pem. I am opening that one. This is the private key. Let's see public key where it is stores. I am connecting to my existing server. If you see here, it is not asking any password because authentication is happening between private key and public key. Currently, I have logged in with EC2-user. Key always stores in user's home directory. That is, the path is cd/home EC2-user. You can see here, nothing is there, right? But there will be some hidden files. To see the hidden files, you have to enter dot before that. SSH. You can see here one authorized keys are present. Let me open that one. So this is public key for the EC2-user. Okay, you can see SSH-RSC. Okay, some keys are present in encrypted format and the PEM file name. So this is the PEM file we have given cloud, right? So that is the one. So whenever you are logging with the user, so like EC2-user, this public key and the private key should match. Even though they both are in encrypted format, so they both will match, then only you are able to log in. So without the password, you are able to log in. So using the key pairs, we can log in without password. So you can see here. So we have seen public key versus private key. So public key is present in EC2 and private key is stored in your downloaded area. And authentication flow is we have created the key pair by launching the EC2 machine. This is the one. This is the one. And so AWS stores public key on EC2 and downloaded the private key, and SSH uses private key. EC2 verifies. Okay, means once you are logging in here, so it will verify. Then only you are able to log in into the EC2 machine. And now see, we have different types of key pairs are available. One is PEM and another one is PPK. So PEM file we are using for Linux, Mac and OpenSSH. So we are using the Git Bash as a OpenSSH. That's why we have downloaded the PEM file. And also there is a PPK file that is using to PuTTY connection. So we will have a separate session how to log in the EC2 machine using the PuTTY. There you can see. And how we have logged in, that is a small command ssh-i, the key pair name and username @public IP. So this is about small information about key pairs.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next session.